up, HB274 gang? You see your boy at the back door. See this blue tape? I'm about to frost the windows. And you hear Abigail crying. But check it out. Probably can see my reflection. Yes, you can. Hey, that took a lot of strategy right there. That's what you call perfection, baby. Now all I gotta do is tape up the door itself and cover it up, and then I'll frost it. I have the can right here. Krylon, some good stuff. So I'm gonna frost this back window. Let me get the covering up the door and I'll get back at you. Alright gang, I got it all taped up. I use some grocery bags. Yeah. Surround it, keep the overspray. Keep the overspray from happening. Yeah, I got some old blue shorts on, so what? Alright, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna lay the first coat. I'm only gonna do 2 coats because that's all she wants. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright gang, I'm about to get the spraying. Alright, that's the first coat. Yeah, you need to cover up, vent before you do all this spraying, okay? Well, next coat, we're going to try that out. We got to let it dry for a second. You want to make sure it's wet, a little wet, and then you do your overspray a couple of times, and then you do it again. So gang, that's 3 coats right there. And I don't know if you can really tell, but it's blinding out from the outside and inside, so you can barely see on the inside. When I take this tape off, it's going to be very nice. I won't take that off till tomorrow though, most likely. Let it dry real good. Okay, so my wife wants me to do 4 coats. That was the 3rd. I might sneak in 5. I don't know. It just depends how I look, but we'll see. But don't tell her. She's going to watch this video anyway, but she'll like it. Alright YouTube, haha, I got it done. There you go. Not gonna be very easy to see. We'll see when the daylight comes. It's nighttime, so we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Let's just wait till tomorrow and see what it looks like, and I'll get back with you guys. Peace. YouTube, what's up? It's the next day. I've taken the tape off, most of the tape and the border cover. So now it's time to take off this tape and see the results. Come back at you in a second. Alright, let's pull that tape off, get it started. I'm going to show all my goodies. YouTube, we'll have to check that out later. There's a slight technical issue. So let's fix that and I'll get back with you. Alright YouTube, it didn't come out like we wanted it to come out. But, you know, we gave it a shot. That's all that matters. So what we're going to do is just do the whole thing. We're going to frost the whole thing. And that'll just be it. So there's a lesson learned. Might not, should have done it while it was, you know, the window's cold. Probably should have done it when it got warmer. But it is what it is. Lesson learned. Alright gang, so check it out. What we did, since it didn't come out right, we just went on and got some frost and frosted it. Check it out. Now, it's dark outside, but I'm pretty sure you can see it. All the frost right here. It's very simple. So now you can't see outside and they can't see us. And that's somebody's porch light. So it looked like the moon. But that's somebody's porch light. That's our back neighbor's porch light. So there you go. Use a frost. You can use any brand, just as long as it says frost. That's what you need. Now if you want to do designs on it as well, you can tape it up. Same way I did the tape at first, but we just went on and just basically I really just scraped off the old stuff and then I frosted it. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and for every time I post videos. Peace.
I'm above the rim, ain't worried about them. My shorty exotic, and plus she all in. She told me I got it, so I double the profit. Go call me a Mozzie, then I scored off the lot. And it ain't gon' stop, still rolling at 5. Spent plenty of nights with tears in my eyes, don't kill my vibe. Yeah, I heard little shorty been switching.